Hello everybody and welcome to the BOSH kitchen. Today's dish is sticky, sweet and a little bit spicy. Today we're going to show you how to make General Tso's meatballs. Now ordinarily you use chicken or pork, but we thought we'd meat it up a little bit with some meatballs. And the first thing we've got to do is fry some meatballs in some vegetable oil. Get your vegan meatballs, which are available in loads of different supermarkets now. Move the meatballs around in the pan, making sure that they're cooked all the way through and started to caramelize on the edges. Right, that's our meatballs looking good. Now I'm going to transfer them to a plate lined with kitchen roll to soak up any excess grease. And then we're going to put them to one side. Doesn't matter if they cool down because they'll warm up again in the sauce that we're about to make right now. Warm some vegetable oil in your wok. Add some garlic, some ginger, and stir for 30 seconds. Right, that ginger and garlic smells absolutely amazing, which means this pan is now ready for some more flavor. We've got some rice wine vinegar, some soy sauce, some delicious hoisin sauce, some brown sugar, maple syrup, some chili flakes, and some vegetable stock to make this dish saucy. Give that a stir and let those flavors come together and let the sauce thicken because it wants a nice silky, sticky consistency. Right, that sauce is smelling amazing and it's reduced down significantly, but now we need to give it some character and we're going to do that with a cornstarch slurry, which is simply cornstarch and water mixed together. Give the cornstarch slurry a nice stir around and look at how thick and gelatinous that sauce is becoming. That is fantastic, exactly as you want Anglo-Chinese food to be. I've got the meatballs here and I'm just going to pour them straight into that sauce. Going to gently turn those meatballs around in the sauce, let them heat up for around about 30 seconds, and this General Tso's meatballs is almost done. Time to serve up. The best way to serve these General Tso's meatballs is simply over basmati rice. On go the meatballs. Oh my gosh, look at how sticky and how unctuous and how delicious that sauce is. Oh my God, you just know that this is going to be an absolute winner. You wouldn't eat this every day, but for a Friday night fakeaway, this is perfect. You're gonna need a little bit of spring onion and a sprinkle of sesame seeds, and there you have it. General Tso's meatballs, sticky, spicy, sweet, delicious, and perfect for a Friday night. Right, General Tso's meatballs, let's give it a whirl. Oh my goodness me. Vegan meatballs nowadays are fantastic. That was so meaty, you just wouldn't be able to tell it was vegan unless you knew. The sauce is amazing. It's got really nice sweetness, it's a little bit spicy, it's sticky, and there's loads of it, which helps mop up that rice. Now, if you didn't want to use meatballs, you could easily use vegan chicken. You could even use tofu, which actually would be amazing with this dish. I think this is a banger. I want to hear what you have to say about this dish in the comment section below. If you've got any questions or anything at all, that section is all yours, so use it well. As ever, it's been a huge pleasure cooking for you today, so we shall see you again soon. Yum, 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 yum.